Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about literals in C++ programming. Literals are data items which are having fixed values, like in example the number 10 or the fractional number 2.5 or even a single character like C or a group of character or a string like programming. All of them are having fixed values and they are called the literals. Now we are going to talk about integer literal. Integer literal are numbers without any fractional part, and they are divided into three types. Number 1 is decimal, and then octal, and then the hexadecimal. The example of decimal number are like the number 10 and 20, and the octal number are started with a leading 0, like in example 021 or 033. They are the example of octal number, and the hexadecimal numbers are written by the leading 0x, like in example 0x7f or 0x2a. All of them are example of hexadecimal number. So now we're going to talk about the floating point literals. Floating point literals are numbers that has fractional part, like in example the number 2.5, which is having the fractional part, and also the number 0.005, which is having the fractional part. So numbers with fractional parts are called floating point literals. So now we're going to talk about character literals. Character literals are character inside single quotation marks, like in example the character A inside the single quotation is a character literal. Similar way, the character B inside the single quotation is also another example of character literal. Same way we can create other character literals like X and Y. So now let's talk about string literal. String literal is a sequence of character enclosed in double quotation marks, like in example the sequence of character coding when we put inside the double quotation become a string literal. Similar way, the sequence of character C++ when we put inside the double quotation also become a string literal. So this way we can use the double quotation mark to create the string literals. So hope you understand about the different literals in C++ programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.